There are special chemicals which are act as hormones, provided chemical coordination, integration, regulation in the human body. These hormones regulate metabolism, growth, development, and organ systems, endocrine gland, and kidney cell. Endocrine system composed of the hypothalamus, pituitary, pineal, thyroid, adrenal, pancreas, parathyroid, thymus, and testis, ovary. In the addition of these, some organs, gastrointestinal tract, kidney, heart also produce hormones. Pituitary gland divided three major parts, which is called pairs: distal, para, intermediate, and para nervosa. Pars distals produce six trophic hormones. Para intermediate secretes only one hormone, which is para nervosa, and neurohypophysis secretes two hormones, and pituitary hormones regulate the growth and development of the somatic and activity. Peripheral endocrine and pineal gland secretes melatonin, which is play a very important role in the regulation of the diurnal thymus or body rhythm, sleeps and state of the being awake and body temperatures. Thyroid gland hormones play an important role in regulation of the basal metabolism rate and development and maturations of the central CNS, central nervous system, and erythropoiesis metabolism of the carbohydrate, protein, fat, and maturation cycles. Another thyroid hormones and thermocalcitonins regulate the calcium levels in our blood by decreasing it, and parathyroid glands secretes parathyroid hormones, which is increasing in the blood calcium level and play a major role in the calcium homeostasis. The thymus gland secretes thymus, which is play important role in differentiations of the T lymphocytes, which is provided which provided cell-mediated immunity, and in addition, thymus also increase production of the antibodies produced in the normal immunity in the adrenal gland composed of the central located adrenal medulla and outer adrenal cortex, and adrenal medulla secretes epinephrine and norepinephrine. These hormones secrete alertness and pupillary dilations and pileo excretions, sweating, heartbeat strength and heart concentration, and rate of respiration, and glycogenolysis and lipolysis and proteolysis. The adrenal cortex secretes glucocorticoid and mineral corticolysis. Cardiovascular system, blood pressures and glomerulus filtration, stress and immediate inflammation reactions, suppressing of the immune response, and mineral cholesterol regulate the water and electrolytic content of the body. Endocrine pancreas secretes glucagon, insulin, and glucagon stimulate glycogenolysis and glucogenesis, regulate the hyperglycemia. Insulin stimulates cellular glucose uptake and utilize and glycogenesis, resulting in the hypoglycemia. Insulin deficiency or insulin resistance, resulting in the disease or diabetes mellitus. The testis secretes androgens, which is stimulate the development and maturation and functions of the male accessory sex organ. Appearance